House passes 7 demand for grants worth over 2,135 crore rupees on 8th day of the ongoing 7th budget session of Manipur Legislative Assembly. Chief Minister N. Biren refutes news regarding failure to conduct surgery at Janims due to lack of sterilized clothes. Tells media houses to confirm incident before publication. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur flags off bike rally across Imphal city, reiterating demands to accord Scheduled Tribe status to Meitei community. Abandoned Jiribam sub-jails present potential site for setting up lacking government infrastructure of Jiribam district. And after 2 days of capture, Pakistan returns Indian Air Force Wing Commander Abhinandan Bardamant at Wagah-Athari border this evening. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanguzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. House today unanimously passed 7 demands for grants worth 2,135 crore 82 lakhs and 20,000 rupees on the 8th day of the ongoing 7th budget session of Manipur Legislative Assembly. The demands moved by Finance Minister cum Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar includes demand number 4, land revenue, stamps and registration worth 142 crore 88 lakhs and 65,000 rupees. Demand number 5, Finance Department worth 1,745 crore 26 lakhs and 44,000 rupees. Demand number 25, Youth Affairs and Sports Department worth 66 crore 44 lakhs 48,000 rupees. Demand number 28, Excise State Excise worth 11 crore 81 lakhs and 83,000 rupees. Demand number 29, Sell Tax, Other Taxes, Duties on Commodities and Services worth 7 crore 46 lakhs and 62,000 rupees. Demand number 43, Horticulture and Soil Conservation worth 101 crore 65 lakhs and 72,000 rupees. And demand number 45, Tourism worth 60 crore 28 lakhs and 46,000 rupees. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren today refuted the recent news circulation regarding failure to conduct an operation due to lack of sterilized linen clothes at Janims in the house of the ongoing 7th budget session of the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly. The leader of the house stated that an investigation has confirmed that Janims has adequate stock of sterilized linen clothes. Biren further stated that there were around 10 emergency surgeries to be conducted at Janims on February 27. He mentioned that one patient named R.K. Herosit was brought into hospital for an emergency appendix case. Biren said the patient party urged the hospital authority for an emergency operation. However, modification could not be made on the already prepared list for the day. Subsequently, patient party demanded discharge of the patient without conduction of the operation. Chief Minister N. Biren urged media houses to properly confirm any incident before publication. Responding to queries on Chief Minister Gi Haksel Gitingbang CMHT scheme raised by opposition MLA Okram Henry in the question hour of the ongoing budget session today, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar stated that there is not a single report on lack of provision under CMHT scheme at any of the empaneled private hospital. Jayantakumar disclosed that government is yet to release a total of 719 lakhs and 45,000 rupees for the empaneled private hospitals. He mentioned that a fund of 20 crore rupees will be sanctioned for CMHT scheme without further delay. He assured that all the pending amounts will be released as soon as the fund is sanctioned. During the question hour, MLA Fazlur Rahman asked Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren whether it is possible to increase job recruitment under die-in-harness scheme from 10%. In response, the Chief Minister said that there is no question of increasing from 10% allocated for each department. He mentioned that 10% recruitment policy will continue even if 3,029 candidates have applied for jobs under the scheme. Biren said job recruitment under die-in-harness scheme is not increased to give opportunity to educated unemployed youth of the state. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur SDDCM today set off bike rally across Imphal city, praising demand for inclusion of Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list of the Indian Constitution. SDDCM General Secretary Elt Lukendro flagged off the rally in front of Ima Kuntokhanbi Sangland in Thangmeiban. The rally headed from Kabam Lamkai by passing through Nauremthong, Kwakaitel, Hairanggoithong, Kanchipur, Singzamai, Kongba, Wangkai, Lamlong, Haingang and Koirengay and finally concluded at its initial point. SDDCM convener Lystrom Dromes also appealed to everyone to participate in the mass rally called by the committee on March 3.
Aduna lamdam sida laibiriba nuksijaraba ahlaman imaibel marumapang satrana harol khwai khudingmakna ekoi lakadoriba nongmaijing numita chachagadoriba sigumlaba miyamgi oiba wakat khongchatse masida saruk yabiu loinana lamdam sigi tungi mitei gi oiba natana manipur gi oiba chupa phirep do khoi lemina si maramdi maitai na mut kharkanda lamdam sida khundamini ba yelhomi singse mase hingdana lehroi aduna lamdam sida leiriba yelhomi mayam hingna honabada hingbada maitai haibase tangai fadana kanba mathoktai maitai ese hingba mathoktai haiba wafumdo wakalondo madu sena thagona biraga haidiba rally se taunggi rally se miyamna saruk yabiu haiba.
Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee SDDCM demanded state government to send recommendation to Center for Inclusion of Meitei community in Scheduled Tribe list of the Indian Constitution before the upcoming Lok Sabha election. SDDCM also warned to boycott in the upcoming election those national and regional political parties who stand against the SD status demand. The committee also warned to carry out protests to prevent casting of votes in the election. Speaking to media at Ima Kuntokhanbi Sangland in Thangmeiban this afternoon, coordinating body convener of SDDCM Lystrom Dromes intimated that the committee is all set to carry out mass protest rally on March 3. He urged everyone to participate in the rally. He also appealed to suspend all business activities during the rally to be followed by a public meeting. The convener condemned both previous and present governments for not taking necessary actions to attain ST status for Meitei community, which is due the rights of the community.
Paliba lengaksina masi hojifawar recommendation thabi da bahibase Meitei bu tasengna magi phangphom thokpa right se pibida banena ikoi lawi lakadoriba parliament elections gi mamangda karigumba aikoigi recommendation se ekoi thabi da targadi tongan ba makhan gi campaign amaga loina na ekoi political party BJP bu oiro Congress bu oiro any XYZ Manipur da leiriba political party pumnamak se masi boycott tor pa yai khongjang jibu support tawiba ekoi gi miyam do ekoi gi mitei singdo adungloba sigi mayok ta leiba political party singdo madu aikoi vote thada danabagi aikoi mokoi da vote pi danabagi campaign yauna akan khongjang aikoi changsalakani.
Shopkeepers of Ngari Gali, Khoiraban Market closed their shops in protest against yesterday's intervention by a team of the Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC opposition who prevented the shopkeepers from trying to open both front and rear portions of their shops. The protesting shopkeepers stated that they are the rightful and owners of their shops. They further complained that half of their land were compromised during construction of the Ima market, for which they are not yet compensated. Expressing discontentment at the lack of necessary actions despite repeated plea to relevant authorities including the Mahud Minister regarding their concern including apprehension over health hazards from the rising pile of garbages near the shops without ventilators, the shopkeepers strongly condemned that IMC halted them from carrying out construction at their own will in their own rightful property.
Maringum da khuna dukan sigi thong phat chaga dagi honai ba singjida thongi thomba ga de adigi khuju khala khar phaktana mon pubi re aduna masi kalin tha warpam matamnina dukan di pham matamda akoi gi samjona habda government sabiru port se dukan plone sabi bone du masi di yum lupa yen gi ingon gumne ba I without ventilator maning da adi khada wa amata yaude aduna kalin tha di kamai tan masi da dukan di phamaga po yom ngam doira imai pen khaidin kariba mayam sina apan tokin dana sulap no कोई बनिंग जो फम गमद्रे अरे अमोर का की बोरा मयाम जो पहले रे मुझे थादे बिदे जो फिल लागा ये बिरबा यागनी.
Imphal West Commando team carried out cordon and search operation at Hindu Hotel off Wahenglekai Road till Line B and at Ziribam parking from 7:50 to 8:40 this morning. The team, under the supervision of the Imphal West District Police Additional SP Operation Aribam Gyanasham Sarma, verified 521 individuals and picked up 20 individuals without identification proofs and handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Imphal West Commando team carried out cordon and search operation at Thangal Bazaar and from Nagamapal's Jalan crossing to Koyatong from 3:40 p.m. to 4:20 p.m. today. A total of 439 individuals were verified and 16 individuals without proper identification proofs were picked up and handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on report on the present condition of the Israel Jiribam subjail. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Now we have a report from the Impact News reporter Katrimayum Premchand on the present condition of the Israel Jiribam subjail.
Condition of the abandoned Jiribam subjail in Jiribam district is indeed a sad sight. What you are seeing on your screen now is the condition of erstwhile Jiribam subjail, one of the oldest jails of Manipur, established on November 9, 1964, before Manipur attained statehood. The jail functioned efficiently for many years, but by around 1997, the jail was used as a mortuary for Jiribam subdivision. Prison rooms of the jail used to accommodate security personnel for overnight halt. But now the gravy building of the jail is left unattended. In 2016, Congress-led SPF government announced Jiribam as one of the districts of Manipur. However, Jiribam district does not have required government offices till that. The district does not even own a proper jail, hence arrested miscreants have to be brought all the way to Imphal by traveling almost 220 kilometers. All the while, Jiribam sub-jail, occupying a huge area, remains abandoned. It would be sensible for the government to utilize the abandoned site for constructions of necessary infrastructure to ease the various plight facing the residents of Jiribam districts.
Sekmaijing Bazaar Development Committee Sekmaijing in a press release notified that prior approval from the committee is required before putting up billboards or signboards in areas under the committee. The committee informed those who have already put up billboards or signboards to take them off before March 10. A man was injured in a gunshot by one miscreant inside Gaini ward of Dreams yesterday. The injured man is identified as Thaudam Chinglemba, 28 years, son of Ingocha, from Haibong Pokpi in Imphal West District. He is undergoing treatment at the hospital. Speaking to media, victim Chinglemba said that the bullet went through his left wrist around 9:30 last night on his way to bring water for his wife, who is due to deliver at the hospital.
I rimsta I nupi delivery tawagi cheba lakpane ado rang je pung mapan makai ungta badai da rimsung dogi sing krawat le na pisalo na changba ado ising pisan changbajida manungda hek gate changmak paisida ising pisalingai da nupa ama tholaaga nongmai kapthorokpadagi ai khutang na palapa.
Former Icham President and brother of Chief Minister Nongthombam Birent, Nongthombam Rajendra, today extended financial assistance to physically challenged mother and daughter duo of Huidrom Awangklaikai, Ningombam Pikpi and Ningombam Manda. Government is constructing a house for the physically challenged mother and daughter duo under Chief Minister Gi Sotharaba Singhi Tingbang scheme without delay. Officials of Social Welfare Department, led by Child Welfare Officer of the Social Welfare Department, L. Daneshwar and Nongthumbam Rajendra, visited the mother and daughter today. The team interacted with Ningombomt Sanatombi, who have sheltered them and inquired about their conditions. The team assured of providing rupees 1,500 each as monthly pension scheme under Chief Minister Gi Sotharaba Singhi Tingbang scheme from September last year till January this year for the first phase at the earliest. They will also be provided health cards under Chief Minister Gi Haksel Gi Tingbang scheme. Speaking to media, Nongthumbam Rajendra expressed sadness as the deplorable condition of Pikpi and Manda. He said they should have been provided with various welfare schemes of the government. It may be mentioned that the inspection visit followed Impact News report on the deplorable condition of Ningombomt, Pikpi and Manda on February 27.
Akwai khwaidagi sathiba sama khoi taibu misi oirame na ina phongdokjagrise ko noma khakdang hosana pubira kanda noma khakdang akhoi da pau pibiraga leiriba department da tang chatpiraga mateng pangbiramagadi ngasi gi simaina impact na mayam tor kanda lekai desu simaina laaga tawe habse lekai ju khadang nuaitaba elected person desu nuaitaba lerangani khoi thoibase karigi no kan society gi thokpani na sigum se khadang tawbusine hena mahi chawgadra any festival gi ni haragadi group se thokanda se hoji khoi yaksang sports la ani like I home not to a custom give like Harabuki Harris, like I Trukabuzagin, Roy to any festival at a man coy was Simaitona, later Lyra Awana, because you can't get about mid-town about my young Mimana Moigasu, no more Katanka Topiraga, Makuchu typing mini, a quick miracle, mini and a calaga, no Mutangi Matang Pang, Topiraga Makoi, Awabas Quansi.
Guru Tarun Kumar Foundation Imphal conferred annual Guru Tarun Kumar Sanman 2019 to 3 teachers of Nuts and Cretan today. Vice Chairman of JN Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal, Hizam Tombi graced the event held at Chorus Prefecture Shrined Playhouse, Uripo Kangchup Road. The 3 awardees are Sawgaizam Tanil for Pung, Elangbam Chauhalt for Cholomt and Lampok Lakpam Lakpati for Isay. Machachanu Kakching will confer Machachanu Award 2019 to renowned writer and national awardee Khangembont Ibeton on its 17th Foundation Day on March 18. Indian Air Force IAF Wing Commander Abhinandan Varadhaman, captured by Pakistan after his plane crashed on the other side of line of control while on a mission, was handed over to India by Pakistan border this evening. Wing Commander Abhinandan Varadhaman's immigration process is underway. The pilot will be issued a one-piece visa to enter the country. The Wing Commander returned from Pakistan 2 days after he was captured while engaging in an aerial dogfight with Pakistani F-16S. The Wing Commander's family reached Delhi from Chennai last evening. The Border Security Force BSF has cancelled today's flag lowering and retreat ceremony at the border in view of the IAF pilot to avoid tensions. Wing Commander Abhinandan Varadhaman will first go through medical and emotional tests, and then he will be debriefed by the Indian Air Force following the laid-out protocol for prisoners of war. Pakistan had earlier turned down a request by India to send back the Wing Commander by aerial route and not through the Atari-Wagah land border. Now the sports news. RCC coaches and athletes held a felicitation ceremony for participants and winners of 40th National Masters Athletic Championship at Kumatlampak Sports Complex Men's Stadium today. Assistant Director of YAS Coaches and Training, Tensubom Thoba, YAS Retired Joint Director, W. Susil Kumar, YAS RCC Athletic Coaches and Sportsperson attended the program. 17 men players from Manipur won 7 gold, 3 silver and 1 bronze medals, while 16 women players won 20 gold, 4 silver and 4 bronze in various events of the championship held from February 5 to 10 at Guntur in Andhra Pradesh. Speaking on the occasion, Tensumbam Thoba appealed to keep playground neat and clean.
Walking it along by Tenajabia, Ayamba instruction Pijabani, RCC की कार यावदना तो बिना RCC कार ऐसी थात्रों की लुपा चांग होता नहीं लुपा चांग में ऐसे नों पतो फ्रेंड चकला तो चांग था को कोना बनते वाली इंदा कॉफी था बता अतो कार्टून तम पाए रखा सब इज्जत अमदा से चंग न छाना भी होता है anywhere in India दे भी कर आये नों चंगे इन्हीं चंग उधर तुम पैसा अंदर नहीं हाजिर है थात्रों की लुपा चांग में जब कुछ लोग भी सुनते थे कोई इरोए भी ड्रेस ना तभी तो हैप्पी ने सेले चुंग था वो हाय वो ऐसे तो की मीनी अदानी का तो सामना दे फुटबॉल साना भी यंगी लेका है फुटबॉल साना बदा खुद ही सेले के साना भी और सो मरिंग मरांग को नोंगाई जदा बम जाओ अदने है ट्रैक शूट सेले का सीधे चेन चोंगे मैम सीधा सो ये मतलब आहल चुवर आहल नहीं ना मोने स्वयं गंबगती अखोई से कदों गमो देनो का
DYASO Imphal East District in a press release informed that Under-14 Boys Football Tournament organized by District Youth Affairs and Sports Office, Imphal East will begin tomorrow at Kumantlam Park Artificial Turf Ground, while the fencing tournament for both boys and girls between 14 to 17 age group will start from March 3 at Koman Zone 4, Imphal East District. Free Progress Academy kicked off its 29th annual Inter-House Sports Meet 2019 at Konthausam Kangcheibung today. International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA President K. Kunzaras opened the sports meet. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. House passes 7 demand for grants worth over 2,135 crore rupees on 8th day of the ongoing 7th budget session of Manipur Legislative Assembly. Chief Minister N. Biren refutes news regarding failure to conduct surgery at Janims due to lack of sterilized clothes. Tells media houses to confirm incident before publication. Scheduled Track Demand Committee Manipur flags off bike rally across Imphal city, reiterating demands to accord scheduled track status to Meitei community. Abandoned Jiribam sub-jail presents potential site for setting up lacking government infrastructure. And after 2 days of capture, Pakistan returns Indian Air Force Wing Commander Abhinandan Bardhaman at Wagah Artillery border this evening.